Why does a 5 kg weight sink but such a big ship floats? So tell me something about propeller. How does a propeller rotate? Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. This is Chief Engineer Praneeth Mehta, Director JMD Academy, also running a website called Merchant Navy Decoded. Welcome to the channel JMD Academy. This is Faraz Ahmed sitting with us today, a DNS aspirant, and he has already given his non-technical interview on the YouTube channel Merchant Navy Decoded. If you are really interested, go watch his non-technical interview, and for the technical interview you are at the right place. And guys, the questions that I'm going to ask in the technical interview, they have been asked in an interview of a specific shipping company. So let's see how Faraz fares today. Chalo batao bhai. So first question is, name some underwater parts of a ship.
Sir, underwater parts of ships are bulbous bow, hull, keel, and sir, propeller, and double bottom tank.
See, he has named 5 important parts. I could have asked anyone, but as the question asked in the interview is about propeller, I will ask about propeller. I would have to ask myself, I would have asked about bulbous bow, but anyways. So tell me something about propeller. How does a propeller rotate?
Sir, propeller is connected to the crankshaft, and sir, it is connected to the engine. And sir, when engine rotates the crankshaft, then sir, crankshaft rotates the propeller, and sir, it produces the force on the water. And by following Newton's third law, sir, water produces equal thrust on ship. Because of that, sir, ship moves also and propeller moves.
Okay, great. Why does a 5 kg weight sink, but such a big ship floats?
So because of Archimedes principle.
And what does Archimedes principle state?
Archimedes principle state that if a body is totally or partially immersed in a fluid, then the upward buoyant force exerted by the fluid on the body is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body.
Okay, great. What is Rayleigh scattering?
Sir, Rayleigh's law of scattering state that sir, the scattering is inversely proportional to the wavelength raised to the power 4.
Okay, and where is it applied?
Sir, it is applied because of that, sir, sky appears blue.
Okay, चलो अगला क्वेश्चन यही था. चलो नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज हाइजेनबर्ग्स अनसर्टेनिटी प्रिंसिपल?
Sir, Heisenberg uncertainty principle state that it is impossible to calculate the exact position and momentum of a microscopic particle like electron at the same time, sir.
अच्छा, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला?
So, formula of Heisenberg, sir, is delta x into delta p is greater than equal to h by 4 pi.
एंड व्हाट इज एच?
Planck constant.
व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एच?
6.26 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second.
ओके, ठीक है. व्हाट इज डी ब्रॉगली इक्वेशन?
So, de Broglie equation is lambda is equal to h by mv.
एच बाय एम वी. व्हाट इज एच?
Sir, Planck constant.
व्हाट इज एम ओवर हियर?
Sir, m is mass and mv is momentum.
ओके, एम वी मतलब v इज वेलोसिटी, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मास एंड वेलोसिटी इज मोमेंटम. ओके, फाइन. टेल मी अबाउट बर्नौलीज प्रिंसिपल.
So, Bernoulli's principle state that the sum of the kinetic energy per volume, potential energy per volume, pressure energy per volume of an incompressible non-viscous fluid in a streamlined flow is constant, sir.
Okay, now this question has not been asked in the interview, but I would have been really interested in asking about what is a streamlined flow, then a laminar flow, but since it has not been asked in the interview, I will not ask that. I'll move ahead. What is Pascal's law?
So, Pascal's law state that if we applied pressure in a confined space filled with the liquid, then the pressure is equally distributed in all the directions.
Okay, what is Doppler effect?
So, Doppler effect state that when there is a relative motion between observer and wave source, then the drop in the frequency observed by the observer is called as Doppler effect.
Any application of Doppler effect?
Sir, sonar.
What is sonar? Full form बता दो.
So, sound navigation and ranging, and sir, radar, radio detection and ranging.
अरे क्या बात है. Then now it's good. What is composition of air?
So, composition of air includes sir 78% nitrogen, and sir 21% oxygen, and sir 0.6% argon, and sir 0.4% other gases.
Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. As we go higher in altitudes, what happens to the atmospheric pressure?
So, as we go higher in the altitudes, atmospheric pressure decreases. Because of that, sir, boiling point is also decreases, sir.
And why does this happen?
So, because the number of molecules in the air is less, sir.
Okay, great.
And so, because of it, sir, air expand and it's provide cooling effect.
Okay, चलो ठीक है. What is Snell's law?
Snell's law state that the ratio of the sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of reflection, sir, is constant.
Reflection or refraction?
Refraction, sir.
Refraction.
Yes.
Okay, ठीक है. Why do stars twinkle?
So, star twinkles because of atmospheric refraction, sir. when the white light comes, sir, when the lights from the star come in the Earth's atmosphere, sir, it goes from different densities. Because of that, sir, it bends, and that's why, sir, a star appears twinkle.
So it is because of reflection or refraction?
Sir, it is because of, sir, refraction.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. ठीक है. Why do we have a leap year?
Sir, Sir Julius Caesar explained the concept of the leap year. Sir, he told at the time, sir, he told that the Earth takes 365.25 days for the revolution around the sun, and sir, we have a year of 365 days, and the remaining 0.25 days are keep adding, and every after 4 years we have a day which we add in February, and this year is called as leap year.
Okay, what is Kepler's law?
Sir, Kepler gave, sir, 3 laws of planetary motion. The first law is law of orbit, which state that every planet around the revolve around the sun in an elliptical orbit, and sun is located one of the 2 foci. And the second law is area, law of area, which state that the radius vector drawn from the center of the sun to the center of the planet sweeps out equal area and equal interval of time. And so the third law, the time law, which state that the time of the
Square of time.
yes, sir. Sir, I'm a little bit confused.
चलो, no worries. Third भाई, you find out and let me know in the comment section, okay? चलो, tell me difference between sea and ocean.
Sir, in terms of geography, sir, seas are smaller than the ocean, and sir, ocean covered almost 70% of hydrosphere of Earth. And sir, in sea we can do fishing, and sir, in ocean we cannot do the fishing because our ocean are too deep.
Okay, चलो ठीक है. 2 famous canals.
Sir, 2 famous canals, sir, Panama Canal and Suez Canal.
Okay, which oceans or seas are the Suez Canal and Panama Canal connected to?
Sir, Suez Canal connected, sir, at North Atlantic Ocean to Indian Ocean via Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea, and sir, Panama Canal connected to Pacific Ocean to Atlantic Ocean, sir.
Okay, ठीक है, बढ़िया. Where is Finland located? Finland.
So Finland is located in Europe, sir,
Europe.
and its capital is Helsinki.
अच्छा, very good. We had a technical round with Mohammad Faraz. He is a DNS aspirant, and the result in which company has been selected is in the line given below, as you can see. All I want to say is please work hard on your communication skills. Please work on knowledge. Interviewer ke there are no certain questions. He goes with the flow. Like he said, I have 5 underwater parts. I could have asked bulb, burst, bow. From there the questions have gone anywhere. So you have to study physics, you have to study chemistry, you have to study maths, you have to study GK, you have to study geography, and most importantly, you have to understand it over here. Ratna nahi hai, samajhna hai, and then only it can come out. And keep practicing. And so guys, in the end, all I want to say is if you have watched this video and liked it, please watch all other videos as you can see in the playlist over here. Watch these videos, understand for a better future. Jai Mata.